And good morning, everybody. This is a quick recording to let you know if you are working from home today and are not on campus, what we will be doing the next couple of days so you can stay on task. We will be still in World War One, and you need to click there from your text. And we will be focusing on the Russian Revolution right here, and I will show you the materials that are in this in your classroom. So you're going to go to your assignments, and what you need to access over the next couple of days, you should definitely look at the flipped video right here, Lenin and the Bolsheviks. Definitely you want to watch that today. This is the e-text. I'll be providing a screencast on the first two lessons or the first two sections of the text, um, and I will also be posting some notes. You have a vocabulary assignment that starts today and a comprehension question that you can also start today. And you should use the text and or the screencast to help you finish them. We'll also be doing an activity with the map, two of them, and you need to work on them. And there's also a chart that you can work on. So for today, what you should do is you should listen to my screencast, which is probably going to be about 5 to 8 minutes. Do the vocabulary, submit the vocabulary today or tomorrow, and work on the comprehension questions and submit them Wednesday afternoon or Thursday morning. We will be having a project that we're doing on Thursday, and you can do that from home. We'll explain what's going on as you need to, but for today, you will need to read sections 1 and 2 in the text and do the vocabulary. Tomorrow you will need to read sections 3 and 4 and do the comprehension questions, 3, 4, and 5 I should say, and also I will have screencasts for each of those to help you. So that's what you need to do, and I would do one of these, this one today, and I would do this one tomorrow, okay, and you should be good to go. Have a great day, and I hope that if you are feeling poorly that you recover quickly, and if you are just in quarantine that you stay healthy. Have a great day.